Are you taking effort to develop yourself? How many times have you enrolled for any certifications thinking about that if I do this certification, I will get a chance to elevate my career? Hi, my name is Ajinkya and I am on a mission to transform people's life with redesigning their process, their approach with my framework and help them be an ace performer. Today I'm going to talk about something very important and which is something very related to your growth and success. Self-development. You see, I started my career as a nurse and today I am a senior director of implementation. In the 16 years of my journey, I understood what is required for me to grow and I took each step very carefully to make sure that I get success in my career, I get recognition in my career, and I get at some place or some level where I can be an authority. People struggle in terms of identifying where should they go, what path should they select. Is it the right path to go? Should I do this certification? What if I don't get an opportunity even after doing a certification? There are many questions which lingers around in your brain which prevents you from taking that first step. My recommendation to you is whatever you are doing at your workplace today, understand what is the requirement of that nature of work. If you think that coding is one of your core skills, think about how you can elevate your skill of coding and how you can start contributing within your team, within your work, so that people start considering you as a subject matter expert. Now, self-development is not only getting certification. Self-development is building knowledge, developing a skill, and making sure that you start implementing those skills at your workplace. So the first step which you need to do is identify your market requirement. What is required for your market for you to grow in your team? The two which is required is for you to take that first step and get yourself enrolled to a certification course or a coaching program or buy a book and start reading that book. And three, you understand where you can implement those learnings which you have enrolled for and completed a certification for. For example, you can do a Scrum Master certification, right? Now, once you're done with the Scrum Master certification, first thing you need to do, you need to communicate to everyone that you have done that certification. That builds up your authority and everyone knows that you have done that certification. Whenever there is a requirement for that specific skill, you will be considered. Second, when you are done with your certification, try to reach out to your supervisors and see if there are any opportunities for you to grow or hands-on your certification or your learnings. And three, the more you work, the more you learn, the more you learn, the more you implement, and the more you implement, the more you grow. That's how self-development is directly linked to your success. So make sure you evaluate your market, make sure you get yourself enrolled to a training program, make sure whatever you learn, you start implementing at your workplace, and on top of everything, please keep communicating all of your plans with your supervisors and your team members so that everyone is aware that you are taking an effort. So if you want to grow, just make sure that you follow all these steps. Start implementing these as soon as possible. So if you're liking these videos, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and make sure that you notify whenever I'm uploading a new video. I am on a mission to transform millions of lives who can redesign their process and with my framework and start excelling at their workplace. So you can join my Facebook page. The link is in the description. You can join my WhatsApp group. I share a lot of information on that group every single day. So be a part of this community. Follow me on Instagram and look at my website where I am putting a lot of content which will help you grow your career, which will elevate your status at workplace, at your home, within your friend circle, and within your colleagues. So make sure you be focused, be consistent, be dedicated, and be invincible.